Mario, George, Luigi, it's time to race some cars on your Hario's horse track. Yay, I'm so excited. Me too. Let's race some cars. Okay. Come on, Mario, George, and Luigi. Let's race some cars. Okay. Let's turn them on. Let's put Mario and George and Luigi so I can turn the on. Okay.
Hot Wheels Racers, pick your lane!
Deal. Now I turn the door so that we can race some cars behind George and Luigi. Okay. Yes. Okay, before we start, let's count the colors of the cars. Okay. There's a white truck, a green twin bale, a dark blue with white, a gold car, a green sugary car, and a light blue number 6 car. Okay, Mario, George, and Luigi, you play. Okay. Whoa! Look, lane 2. It's the green twin bale, Mario, George, and Luigi. Yay! Green twin bale, why, Mario, George, and Luigi? Hooray! Now green twin bale, why? Let's park some cars in our parking lot, Mario, George, and Luigi. Okay, now go stop the video. Okay, Mario, George, and Luigi, I set our parking lots in a circle. So I put green twin bale, dark blue with white, a light blue car with the number 6, and the green stingray car. And I put the white truck and the gold car right here. We can put them in the circle. Okay, now let's set up parking lots, Mario, George, and Luigi. Okay, green twin bale goes first. He has to go at the first parking spot. Now it's the second car. George, it's your turn. Yay! 4. Now we need the third car. 4. Okay, Luigi, it's your turn. 4. Oh no! I can't reach that. Oh! There, I bought it. There. Now we're gonna put this car right here. And then we'll put the white truck. And then we'll put that car golden. Wow, Mario, George, and Luigi, this is good for our parking spots. Now let's hide them in. Now, Mario, George, and Luigi, you play hide and seek in a circle. Okay, that goes up the video. Wow, Mario, George, and Luigi, this is good for our parking spots. The cars are parked, so now I can sleep at night. That goes up the video. Okay, Mario, George, and Luigi, I put them to bed. Here's Mario. I put them to sleep with the blankie so they can sleep tonight. I put them in the bed. Okay, Mario, George, and Luigi, thanks for having racing. Good night.